So a pleasant day. So my grade 5 mathematics students, our lesson for today is about percentage. Today is 31st of March 2020. So first, let us define the word percent. So what is a percent? A percent is another way of expressing a part of a whole, or a percent means out of 100. The symbol for percent is this one. So before you learn, let's have this one. Megan shaded some squares on a 100 square grid as shown. She said 20% of the grid was shaded. Explain how she arrived at the percentage. Learn 1. Divide each square into 100 equal parts. So this is the example. Okay? 1 out of 100 parts is shaded, which is almost the same as 1 over 100 of the whole is shaded. So we say that 1% of the whole is shaded. In mathematical sentence, that will be 1%, which is equals to 1 over 100, or which is equivalent to 0.01. Right. So let's move on to learn 2. Divide each square into 100 equal parts. So, okay. So in our example, we have 75 out of 100 parts is shaded. Then 75 over 100 of the whole is shaded. So we say that 75% of the whole is shaded. And in mathematical sentence, we have 75%, which is equals to 75 over 100, or which is equivalent to 0.75. So now, let's try. Okay. So let's have example number 1. Okay, so this is the 100 boxes or a square which is divided into 100 equal parts, and 4 boxes were shaded. So question is, how many percent? So the answer is 4%. If you got that one correct, so very good. So let's have number or example number 2. Okay. So how many percent? So the answer is 37%. If you got that one, so very good. So let's have now example number 3. So how many percent? So if your answer is 15%, so you're absolutely correct. So let's have now example number 4. Okay, so we start counting. So how many percent? What do you think? So if your answer is 72%, so very good. So if you got 4 correct answers, so it means you know it very well. So let's have now example number 5. Express each of the following as a percentage. So let's have letter A. So 9 out of 100 is equivalent to what? If your answer is 9%, so you're correct. Letter B. 28 out of 100 is equivalent to what? So if your answer is 28%, you're absolutely correct. Very good. Letter C. 61 out of 100 is equivalent to what? So if your answer is 61%, so you're excellent. And letter D, if 100 out of 100 is equivalent to what? So if your answer is 100%, you are definitely correct. So if you got all of the correct answers, so you were excellent. Okay, so let's have example number 6. So find the missing numbers. So 1 is equivalent to, so over 100, and is equals to what percent? Okay, so the answer is 1 over 100, which is equivalent to 1%. If your answer is correct, so very good.